In today's international marketplace, more and more brands are focusing on a localization strategy, getting closer, more personal, taking their message to the street, and with good reason too. British people have a deep-seated connection with their local towns. We work, we play, and we shop within 10 miles of our homes. But how do you enhance this passion for where we live? Answer: local media, and truly local radio stations in particular. They connect with the community in ways other stations simply cannot. Truly local stations produce more engagement and harvest more trust. You see, the words of a local voice resonate so much more to a local who is listening. Truly local stations have more influence too. They live local, they breathe the local air, so they understand their local community. And big brand advertisers can benefit from this, because truly local stations have more impact across every stage of the purchase journey, increasing brand awareness, generating more search, more brand consideration, resulting in more brand action. When big brands hang out with truly local radio stations, they become more familiar, more honest, and more relevant to local consumers. So, by tuning into truly local radio stations, big brands themselves are seen as, well, more local.